Consider a matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Its order is 2 cross 3. If we interchange its row and column, then we have another matrix whose order is 3 cross 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then this new matrix is called transpose of the matrix A. It is denoted by A dash or AT. Now we define transpose of matrix. If A is equal to Aij, B and M cross n matrix, then the matrix obtained by interchanging the row and column of A is called the transpose of A. It is denoted by A dash or AT. Going to discuss properties of transpose of the matrices. For any matrices A and B of suitable orders, we have the following properties. A dash dash means double transpose. We will get is equal to A. K into A dash is equal to K into A dash, where K is any constant. A plus B dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. A B dash is equal to B dash into A dash. We verify these property by taking example. Here in example number 20, two matrices are given. Both have the same order, 2 cross 3 and 2 cross 3. We have to verify the properties of transpose of the matrices. First, double transpose of we have A dash is equal to its order is 3 cross 2. Now if we again transpose this matrix, we get 2 cross 3 matrix, which is same as A. A plus B dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. We find A plus B first. A plus B is equal to, now if it find its transpose A plus B dash, order of its transpose is 3 cross 2. What it? A dash is equal to 3 cross 2 and B dash is equal to A dash and B dash. We get A plus B dash. KB dash is equal to KB dash. First we find K into B matrix. We get find transpose of this matrix. Now we find K into B dash. We get then is equal to, which is same as the KB dash. It means that KB dash is equal to K. Now we are going to discuss example number 21. Here matrices A and B are given. We have to verify that AB dash is equal to B dash A dash. Let A dash B dash is equal to, first we find A B, A into B, minus 2, 4, 5, 1, 3, minus 6. We get it is this matrix is a 3 cross 1, 1 cross 3. So resultant matrix is 3 cross 3. Multiply minus 2 into 1, minus 2, 6, plus 12, 4, 12 minus 24, 5, 15 minus 30. Now we find A, B dash. We get minus 2, minus 6, 12, 4, 12 minus 24, 5, 15 minus 30. We find that B dash A dash is equal to, which is same as A B dash. Symmetric matrices. A square matrix A is said to be symmetric if A dash is equal to A. In given example, we get it is a same as A. So we get A dash is equal to A. So it is an example. Symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrices. A square matrix A is said to be skew symmetric matrix if A dash is equal to minus A. That is, AJI is equal to minus A IJ for all possible values of I and J. Let A is equal to, if we take A dash is equal to that minus minus A. So it is an example of skew symmetric matrix. For any square matrix A with real number entries, A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix and A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. Let B is equal to A plus A dash. Find B dash. We get A dash double transpose. We know that A dash dash is equal to A. So we get here A dash plus A. Since matrix addition is commutative, so A plus A dash, this gives B. So B dash is equal to B. This implies that A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix. Let A minus A dash is equal to P. We find P dash. A minus A dash dash. This gives A dash minus A dash dash. We know that A dash dash is equal to A. So here A dash minus A, we find that A minus A dash is equal to minus B. So P dash is equal to minus B. It means that A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. Theorem 2. Any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. Let A be any square matrix. Then we can express A is equal to half of A plus A dash plus half of A minus A dash. Let P is equal to half of A plus A dash and Q is equal to half of A minus A dash. Now we know that in previous theorem A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix, and so half of A plus A dash is also a symmetric matrix. Similarly, A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. Therefore, half of A minus A dash is also a skew symmetric matrix. So here we observe that matrix A can be expressed as the sum of P plus Q, where P is symmetric matrix and Q is skew symmetric matrix. P is equal to half of A plus A dash and Q is equal to half of A minus A dash. Exercise 3.3. Now we are going to discuss some important questions on exercise 3. In question number 6, matrix A is given. We have to verify that A dash into A is equal to I. Look at here. A dash is equal to cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Now A dash into A, cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, and A cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Now we multiply as per definition of matrix multiplication. We get cos square alpha minus minus plus sin square alpha cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha into cos alpha sin alpha into cos alpha minus sin alpha. Sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. Now we know that cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is equal to 1. So we have put it here 1, and cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, these are cancelled out. We will get here 0. Again it is becomes 0, and it is equal to I. Similarly, we can verify part 2. Now in question number 7, first part, we have to show that the matrix A is a symmetric matrix. So we write here A dash, we interchange the row and column, we get what we observe here, it is same as matrix A. So A dash is equal to A. This implies that A is a symmetric Now in part 2 we have to show that A is a skew symmetric matrix. So here we find A dash by interchanging row and column. We get it is same as minus, that is equal to minus A. Here A dash is equal to minus A. This implies that A is a skew symmetric matrix. Now in question number 8, for matrix A, we have to verify that A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix and A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. First we find A dash by interchanging the row and columns. We find A plus A dash. As per definition, transpose we get which is same as A plus A dash. It means that A plus A dash is symmetric matrix. Now in second part we have to show that A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. So we find here A minus A dash, subtract it as per definition, we get A minus A dash transpose we get here, which is same as A minus A dash. It means that A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. Now in question number 10, there are some matrices are given. We have to express each of them as a sum of symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. Here we discuss only part 3. Let A is equal to given matrix. We know that we can write A is equal to half of A plus A dash plus half of A minus A dash. Also from theorem number 2 we know that half of A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix and half of A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. So here we have to find the matrix half of A plus A dash and half of A minus A dash. Now find A dash. Find A plus A dash. Find A minus A dash. Now we find half of A plus A dash and half of, let us suppose that half of A plus A dash is equal to P and half of A minus A dash is equal to Q. Now we can express the given matrix here. P is equal to P dash. So P is a symmetric matrix. Q is equal to minus Q dash into half of A minus A dash, which is a skew symmetric matrix. Thus we have P plus Q is equal to A. In question number 11, here given that A, B are symmetric matrix of same order, then we have to determine the matrix AB minus BA is skew symmetric matrix, symmetric matrix, zero matrix, identity. Here it is given that A and B are symmetric matrix. It means that A dash is equal to A and B dash is equal to B. Now we find A B minus B A dash. We get here A B dash minus B A dash. So by rule we get it is B dash A dash minus A dash B dash. But B dash is equal to B, you can write B, and A dash is equal to A minus A B. You can write it is minus of A B minus B A. It means that it is a skew symmetric matrix. Now in question number 12, here a matrix A is given and it is given that A plus A dash is equal to I. Then we have to find the value of alpha. Now here A dash is equal to, we find A plus A dash is equal to, we get here